Stopping at a few other restores on my road trip. It's been a long time since I've been to this one. That's a cool SMC. Not for me, but I like it. Plexi fan. I'll probably get a copyright strike for this video because they're playing that Call Me Al pretty loud. I think that's all I'm seeing. And anything else? Okay, well, that's it for now. Thanks. Oh, there's some blades down here. Thanks for watching. I missed this design house stuff down here. I'm tempted, if it was a little cheaper, I might get it just for nostalgia reasons. Those are cool. Thanks for watching.